Hello everyone and welcome again in a new video tutorial. Today guys I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 10 from a USB key to your computer. The Windows will be original, however you might need to have a license to be able to activate it. So first we will go to our search tab if you have Windows 8, Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 and you will type dxdiag and you will run this command. This will allow us to see what is the type, or is our computer a 64-bit one or 32-bit, because each has a different requirement for installing Windows 10. So now we will have to wait a bit. There we go. So currently my computer is running on Windows 10, but if you have Windows 7 or Windows 8, it should show you either 64-bit or 32-bit. If you have 32-bit, then you will have to download 32-bit Windows 10. If you have 64-bit Windows 7 or Windows 8, then you will have to download a 64-bit Windows 10. The second thing, you will have to make sure that you have a USB key or a flash memory stick which has more than 7 gig or 7 gigabyte. Mine currently support almost 15 gigas, so it should be fine. Otherwise, the operation will not work. Second, you will have to go to your browser and you will have to type download Windows 10 ISO. And we will open the first link, www.microsoft.com/software download/Windows 10. I have opened it on a new window, and you will have to scroll down to download tool. You will click on download tool so that you will be able to set up Windows 10 in your USB. This is a Microsoft software. It is for free, this tool, and it doesn't contain any virus. So we'll just click open and click on it to start operating. So now we will have to wait a bit until the tool starts working. It will disappear, don't worry, and it will reappear again, and then we can continue. It takes just a few seconds for it to appear. And it will show you getting a few things ready. You have just to be patient a bit. It might take 1 to 3 minutes maximum, and then you should be able to go or to proceed with the next steps of setting it up in your USB. So now we are ready. It says that applicable notice and license terms. I will suggest you to go through it before you click accept. For me, I know this kind of limitation that we cannot resell and stuff, so I will just click accept as I already read it before, and I will continue. The second step will take again few seconds to up to 2-3 minutes, and then it will allow us to take the next step. Please note that this process might take up to 10 minutes to be fully done, and then you are ready to go. So I will just stop the video until this step is finished, and then I will show you what we have to do and what we have to click. So now it is giving us the options. I will not suggest you to click upgrade this PC now. You can just select the second one, and I will explain to you why. If you click upgrade this PC, your computer will be going to be upgraded. So you will not have the installation disk or the installation USB, and if in the future any problem occur, you will not be able to repair it without having a system image. However, if you select the second option, you will have a USB key in which the software will be installed, and later if your computer run into problem or you cannot boot, then you can use the USB to repair your computer. So I will just click next, and here it selects automatically the language and everything from my computer, so I will just deselect it to have the choice. I want English version, I want Windows 10, and I want 32-bit only. I do not want 64, and I can invite you to take both. If you have 14 gig and more, you can always select both and it will work. For instance, I want just 32, and I want just to click next. Why are you asking why 32? Since I have the 64, I want to install it in a different computer. If you want to install Windows 10 in multiple computers, then better to tick both so that you will be able to either install 32 or 60 or 64 based on the computer which you are going to install on. So now we'll just click next. Make sure that the edition you have selected the installation. So I will just click OK because here it's asking me to make sure. I will just click OK because I know already. Here you have the option to select an ISO file, but you need to burn the ISO file to a DVD later. I want it just for a USB flash drive, so I will just select the first option and click next. Now it is actually asking me the flash disk on which I want to install, or the USB stick on which I want to install my Windows 10, or I want to set it up in to be able to install it later on a computer. So I will go again and check on my desk or my PC shortcut and make sure that's my USB, and the letter drive is E. So here we have again E, no label. I will just click next. I have the correct one. If you cannot see your USB or USB flash, you can always click refresh list here and it should be fine. I will just click next, and it might take again 2 to 3 minutes to get things ready, and then it will start the process and it will show you the progress ongoing. I will just stop the video now until the process is over because there is no next steps to select now. It will be ongoing for a few minutes, the setting up of Windows 10 in your USB, and we will go back again and continue. So now as you can see guys, the operation is done. Our computer is ready and our USB key is ready to use. So now we will have just to click finish, and this will take a few minutes just to close the process, and then we can use our USB for make a fresh installation of our Windows 10. We will discuss this in the next videos. I hope this video tutorial was useful to you guys. If you still need help or assistance, you can always contact us. And please do not forget to click like, share, and subscribe because this is how you encourage us to keep producing video tutorials. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.